Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 20th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Raksha Bandhan in 2024 was observed on. Answer is 19th August. Raksha Bandhan in 2024 was celebrated across the country on 19th August. The auspicious Hindu festival of Rakhi is celebrated annually in Shravana month during full moon day or Purnima day. Traditionally, on Raksha Bandhan, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist as a symbol of their love, and in return, brothers promise to protect them. Question number 2. World Mosquito Day is observed every year on. Answer is 20th August. World Mosquito Day is observed on 20th August annually to raise awareness about the causes of malaria and how it can be prevented. The World Mosquito Day theme 2024 is Accelerating the Fight Against Malaria for a More Equitable World. World Mosquito Day is celebrated in memory of Sir Ronald Ross, a British doctor who discovered that the female Anopheles mosquito transmits malaria on 20th August 1897. Question number 3. Akshay Urja Divas is observed every year in India on. Answer is 20th August. Akshay Urja Divas, or Renewable Energy Day, is observed every year on 20th August to raise awareness about the developments and adoption of renewable energy in India. The Akshay Urja Day was initiated by the Indian Ministry for New and Renewable Energy Sources in 2004. Energy such as biogas, solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectrical power is a few examples of Akshay Urja. Question number 4. The Under-19 Women's T20 Cricket World Cup 2025 will be held in which country? Answer is Malaysia. The International Cricket Council, ICC, announced the schedule for the ICC Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025 on 18th August, which is to be played in Malaysia. The tournament will get underway from 18th January with the final scheduled on 2nd February. A total of 16 teams will be participating in the event, which have been divided into 4 groups of 4 teams each. Question number 5. How many Indian athletes will participate in the Paris Paralympic 2024? Answer is 84. The 17th Summer Paralympics for disabled athletes will take place in Paris, capital of France, from 28 August to 8 September 2024. The Indian contingent consists of 84 athletes, including 32 women athletes. It is the largest contingent of Indian athletes to participate in a Summer Paralympics edition. In the last Paralympic Games in 2020, held in Tokyo, Indian players performed well, winning 19 medals. In those games, 54 players participated from the Indian side. Question number 6. Which state government has launched the Har Ghar, Har Grihini Yojana? Answer is Haryana. Haryana state government has launched a new program called the Har Ghar, Har Grihini Yojana. This program aims to provide gas cylinders to 5 million families below the poverty line for just 500 rupees each. Now, families with an annual income of less than 1,80,000 rupees will be able to buy gas cylinders for just 500 rupees. The Haryana government will allocate 1,500 crore rupees annually for this scheme. Question number 7. Which union minister has launched the Krishi Decision Support System? Answer is Bhagirath Chaudhary. On 16th August 2024, Minister of State Bhagirath Chaudhary, under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, launched the Krishi Decision Support System, a digital geospatial platform. Krishi Decision Support System is a pioneering geospatial platform tailored for Indian agriculture, providing access to satellite images, weather data, reservoir storage, groundwater levels, and soil health information. Question number 8. Which organization has received the highest gallantry medal on Independence Day 2024? Answer is CRPF. The Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, has been awarded the highest number of police gallantry medals with 52 on the occasion of the 78th Independence Day in 2024. Out of the total medals, 25 decorations have been awarded for action during operations in Jammu and Kashmir, while 27 are for operations in the anti-Maoist operations in various left-wing extremism-affected states. President Draupadi Murmu has approved 103 gallantry awards to armed forces and Central Armed Police Forces personnel on the eve of Independence Day 2024. Question number 9. Who has become the first tennis player to reach 50 wins in this season? Answer is Alexander Zverev. In tennis, German star Alexander Zverev overcame Karen Khachanov in straight sets at the Cincinnati Open in USA on 15 August, becoming the first player to earn 52-level wins this season. Alexander Zverev leads this year's stats for most wins this season with 50 wins and 15 losses, with Jannik Sinner placed second with 45 wins and 5 losses. Casper Ruud was third with 44-13 record this season. Question number 10. Which state government has launched the Ratira Shathi program? Answer is West Bengal. West Bengal government has introduced the Ratira Shathi program aimed at safeguarding women medical professionals on night shifts. This initiative follows the tragic RG Kar incident, where a 31-year-old doctor was brutally murdered. Ratira Shathi, which translates to Helpers of Night, will include development of a special mobile app enabled with alarm devices. The app will be connected to local police stations, and it will be necessary for women to install this app on their mobile phones. Question number 11. Which state has conferred a cash prize to hockey players for their Olympic medal win? Answer is Punjab. On 18 August 2024, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has honoured 19 Olympians from the state, distributing cash awards worth a total of 9.35 crore rupees in recognition of their achievements at the Paris 2024 Olympics. 8 players from the bronze-winning Indian hockey team were each awarded rupees 1 crore, while 11 other athletes who represented India at the Olympics received 15 lakh rupees each. Question number 12. Which company has introduced the Gen 3 e-motorcycle in India? Answer is Ola. Ola, a dominant electric two-wheeler manufacturer, has launched a new e-motorcycle in India using its third-generation platform. The Gen 3 platform, designed on an inside-the-box philosophy, promises cost-effectiveness, enhanced performance, and riding quality. The new motorcycle, featuring improved battery design and electronics integration, is expected to offer a superior ride experience. Question number 13. Which airport became India's first to get net zero carbon emission status? Answer is Delhi Airport. The Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi has reportedly achieved the Net Zero Carbon Emission Airport status or Level 5 certification under the Airport Council International's Airport Carbon Accreditation Program, being the first Indian airport to achieve the milestone. Initially, the airport had set a target of achieving a net zero carbon emission by 2030, but achieved its target ahead of schedule. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.